joking?
Coronavirus!
Nice.
Coronavirus!
Shut up, kid. It adds flavor to it. You want to give it a go?
Sure. Achoo.
Coronavirus!
Achoo.
Coronavirus!
Get some bits in it.
I've got performance anxiety.
Get used to it, kid. You're a man. It's all downhill from here, my friend. Anyway, what do you want?
Nothing. The head sent me.
He did? Oh, yeah! I need you to go to town and pick up some meat and other things for me. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to put one of Ms. Phillips' cats in the casserole again.
Okay.
Let me see. I need some meat from Yum Yum Market. Oh, and a razor from the barber's for my stash. And, oh yeah, some new knickers from Worn In. I've had these on since last term. Hurry up! Go, take my bike. It's that fine machine out there by the school gates.
All right. Gross.
I want that for my next party.
Yes, the discount.
Hear about my son?
Hello, my friend.
Why'd anyone throw this away?
Great. Another shot.
Another one for the collection.
You better use that meat soon. The clerk said it expires at midnight.
Nonsense! There are no fuzzy eaters at Bullworth. It'll last for a month.
Another good deed done.
Bunch of thieving jerks!
What's up, Melvin?
Ah, greetings. Jimmy, listen. Some ruffians took it upon themselves to steal my Grottos and Gremlins character sheets and won't return them. We're playing tonight. The whole situation is untenable.
Grottos and gremlins? Boy, you are sad.
Sad? I'm distraught! Role-playing is the high point of human achievement. In fact, upon reflection, I am prepared to offer a bag of groats to the fair knight, whomsoever recovers these precious screens. Do you accept the quest?
How much?
10 groats.
What?
I mean 10 bucks.
Wait here.
And you can have your pick of my wenches.
Great.
This is the funnest piece of paper I've ever had.
All right, you've got something of Melvin's. Give it up.
All right, I'll give it to you if you beat my friend in a little game. He kicks you in the nuts, you kick him in the nuts, until one of you gives up. If you win, you get the shot. If not, we keep it.
That's just stupid.
Maybe, but I go first.
That's some funny stuff right there.
Okay, you win. I give up.
You're gonna wish you had a bodyguard.
I'll aid you in your battle against evil. Wonder why no one picked this up. You recovered my precious documents. Thank you, sir. You are a noble man indeed. Just give me the money, Melvin. You have earned it. And don't forget about the wenches. Brilliant. Sweet. Who has time for a real job?
My work here is done.
8 hours making...
School rules are quite clear on this subject. Quite clear. No alcohol on school grounds. You're drunk. I can smell it on your breath. I can see it in your eyes.
I'm not drunk!
Drunk? In charge of children? What kind of monster drinks in front of children?
Parent?
A disgraceful one, yes. You've got a problem, haven't you?
I'm just under a lot of pressure.
Well, I'm a kind and supportive colleague, Galloway. And as such, I think it is my duty to get you sacked.
Do whatever you want, Hattrick. You always do!
The head will find out about this.
You okay, sir?
Jimmy. No, I'm not okay. I'm half drunk and I'm about to get fired. Fantastic! Oh, I'm a washed-up old drunk and I'm only 34. English, you see, is a difficult subject to teach. I've tried any number of things to dull the pain. Yoga, meditation, needlepoint, looking at dubious sites on the internet. But nothing dulls the pain like scotch.
Come on, sir. Put that away.
Are you mad? This is manna from the gods!
Give me that. Let's get rid of this before you get busted.
That's very kind of you, Jimmy. Miss Phillips is the only teacher to know about my vice. Take it to her. She will know what to do.
I wonder what the burger's secret ingredient will be this year.
Watch your step, buddy.
I tell you, he's a drunk. These are very serious. Get that kid!
Here they are. I think that's all of them.
Thanks, Jimmy.
You're welcome, miss.
Please, take this.
Nice work, Jimmy.
Come on!
Maybe I can use this to my advantage.
Give me my prize.
There's a little problem. Your parents have to be members of the board for you to be eligible. Tell you what, old chap, we'll give you that old abandoned beach house. Should be nice once you clean it up.
All right.
You know we can't associate with you until you wear some proper clothes, huh? I need to see my therapist.
Goodbye, and thanks for shopping at Aquaberry.
I think I'll keep this.
I can't allow you to stay with behavior like this.
You want an adventure?
I'm pretty sure you should be in class.
Shouldn't you be in class?
Look, there he is. I was wondering if you'd show up, Hopkins. Nice Aquaberry sweater. Très chic.
Yeah.
Wow, you look a bit like my gardener at home.
Yeah, so what?
Yes, well, enough about gardeners or any domestic help. Listen, me and the champs were planning a little revenge hit on old Hat-Trick. We don't like what he did to that old Soak Galloway. A chap can have a drink if he bloody hell wants to.
So?
So, my friend, are you, as they say, in?
Sure. Are you English?
Well, no, I just speak this way because I'm very insecure. You see, my father is a self-made man, so I pretend to be old money, but in fact, I'm really nouveau riche. But less about me, dear boy. Listen, we're going to egg that old codger's house.
Cool.
Smashing! You go get some eggs and meet me and the chaps back at my house.
If you don't study, how are you gonna graduate? I'm telling you, stop right there!
Hello, can I help you find? Enjoy your purchase.
I'm gonna have to buy the house best you can come up with. I saw boomers.
For once, I would like a
I might have the bike. Best wishes to you, fella. What's this?
Got the eggs, Hopkins?
You bet.
Then give them to me.
Take them.
Smashing. Now tell me, Hopkins, is it true you said I was inbred?
No.
Because first cousins is legal, my friend. Legal.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, and just because my elder brother doesn't have a chin and ended up in a lunatic asylum, it doesn't mean anything.
Whatever, Tad. Your family is your business.
Don't lie, Jimmy! You said Tad was probably a hermaphrodite with that much inbreeding.
A hermaphro what?
Don't act dumb! You said his mom was also legally his aunt, and that he probably had webbed toes.
I don't... Well, just only on one foot.
Tad, you're not gonna take that kind of crap from this scumbag, are you?
You've been rude about Mommy! Let's get this, Papa!
You're going back to the poorhouse. I'm an excellent boxer, you know.
I learned this move from my dad.
Hey, Jimmy Hopkins.
Do I know you?
No, I'm Pinky, but I know all about you. Everybody's talking about you. Everybody says that you're mean and angry and you like fighting.
Huh.
Gary said you're so mad because you're sexually confused.
Yeah, well, Gary talks a lot of crap.
Oh, I know. I don't like him. He likes to torture people.
So what? He's not gonna torture me.
Well, I'm glad you're not sexually confused.
Really?
Yeah, I like you, Jimmy Hopkins.
Oh, yeah?
But I need you to do something for me.
What a surprise.
I'm last in line, and this movie means everything to me. I'm gonna get terrible seats. Can you please get rid of all these people for me? Please, Jimmy?
What's in it for me?
I'm a princess!
Oh.
And I need people to do things for me. So hurry up, because I want to be first!
Oh, man. All right.
Perhaps it's true. Or, yeah, run home to mommy.
I swear she's trying to look...
Watch it. I'm unleashing This is an outrage.
It's just not fair.
I don't see why something like this should happen. Total.
Hey, for you, baby.
Thanks a bunch, Jimmy.
That is unbelievably disgusting!
Oh, thank you, Jimmy. I mean it. I just want to play sports, that's all.
That's great, Jimmy! If only you'd been born into my social circle.
Well, I do have a few uses, you know.
Oh, really? Well, you know, nice girls like nice flowers. Anyway, here's some money. It's the least I could do. And it's Daddy's anyways. The show's about to start, but come see me sometime. We can work through these class issues we have.
Oh, I'll work through your class issues all right, sweetie. That's that nonsense dealt with.
I've heard travel schedules set you up with anything for a donation to the school.
So, this is how you treat a girl? Well, not me.
What are you talking about?
We had a date, and you are 3 minutes late.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we really didn't. But look, I remembered how much you like flowers.
Oh, damn. That wasn't you. That was Darby. Well, he's late. I cannot believe he's done this to me. Oh, and those are so beautiful. 3 minutes. What does he think I am, a tramp? Ugh. I hope something important happened, like he's dead, because otherwise there's no excuse.
Did you say you're waiting for Darby?
Yes, I don't really like him, but he's my cousin and our family wants us to get married. You know, keep up the tradition.
Wait, marry your cousin?
You know, it used to be brother and sister until it was made illegal. My aunt has 4 thumbs.
Really?
Yeah, well, I'm not marrying him now. He's humiliated me.
So, what do you say you and I go out and leave Darby to another cousin?
Great! You know, I'll meet you at the carnival tonight. Jimmy, I'm really starting to like you.
You're a waste of skin. This place is for ignorant people. Tyrant style.
Come on, then.
Yes.
Where is that crazy chick?
Hey, Jimmy! Glad to see you're on time, unlike some of my other dates. What are we waiting for? Let's go have some fun.
Hey, wait up!
You'll win me dinner, won't you, Jimmy? I'm easily swayed by your presence.
Hi there. All I need is... Here's your trash. I mean, fries.
Oh, cool! Jimmy, it's so cute. Thanks for a great date, Jimmy. Wow, Jimmy. You really know what you're doing.
I'm good. What can I say? Hey, Pete. Where is everybody?
Oh, Jimmy, it's you.
Yeah?
Guess you want to kill Gary now that he's turned most of school against you and got those rich kids to throw eggs at you.
Gary'll get what's coming to him. What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Well, you're sitting around watching TV by yourself like a loser. Someone crap in your bed? What's wrong?
Well, for one moment, I had friends. Just one moment. You and Gary. Yeah, Gary's a snake, and you're a psychopath.
Ah, come on.
You both bullied me mercilessly, but at least I wasn't left out. And now I'm back on my own, and I'm too cool to be a dork, and I'm too dorky to be anything else.
You're not on your own. Where is everybody?
At the bike race at Old Bulworth Vale, by shiny bikes at the beach.
Bike race? Why didn't you say so? Come on.
show you how gentlemen
They're
behave
nothing.
themselves.
They've got nothing on us. Gotta pay attention.
Good job! Sweet win! Come by and see me anytime. I'll have your trophy.
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
I'll see you around.
Why do they call it a fight?
Just because I'm rich and well-dressed doesn't mean...
Yeah, you want to get a C785. Then dismantle it and recouple with a 767 in titanium. Very expensive, but it will make your machine fly. That's what the pros do.
Really? I was gonna get the 976 because I thought it would make me look important amongst my peer group.
A 976? What are you, a girl? Oh, here's the kid who won the race.
Hey.
You came for your trophy, huh?
Yep.
Here she is. Beautiful. Molded plastic, covered in aluminum wrap, with your name misspelled on it.
Excellent.
Great.
Look at this. A bunch of guys whose career aspirations are to work in stores.
Fabulous. I love it when people know their place in life.
Well, your place in life is in my toilet, you trust fund turd. Do you even have flushing toilets in your trailer? I couldn't imagine it.
You guys are a bunch of scumbags, aren't you?
What you got? Bring it, come on.
Nice trophy. Here, let me see. Come on, hey, give me that back!
Hey, Jimmy. You want some help handling those losers?
Give me a hand, chaps. Fellas, over here!
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
I'm frightfully...
I'm taking you
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Think I'm dumb? Who's dumb now?
I'm dumb, real dumb. Hey, kid, help me out, please.
Easy, Russell. Calm down, calm down. Sit. Good boy.
Thank you. Jeez, that dumb kid's really strong.
Dumb?
Hey, be good.
No,
Be good.
Not you, Einstein, not you. So, how did everything work out with those eggs?
Not like I was hoping. Never trust a rich kid.
Too bad. Was it that jerk, Tad? You know, his parents are at a party at my boss's house right now. If you wanted a revenge thing, now would be a good time.
I guess I'll need some more eggs then.
Ah, yes, you got it.
Thanks. Come on, Russell. We've got a house call to make.
I saw Johnny Vincent.
Who threw that egg?
We'll find you yet.
Go out there and find the miscreant. Oh no! Mother's favorite maple thorn. Dear God, it's all over the wall. Oh, yuck! It's all over the couch. I know you're out there.
Hey guys, I found him.
Smash you! Smash you!
Over here! Over here! Who threw that egg? I know you're out there. Who
You
threw
look a
that
little
egg?
shell-shocked. I'll knock you down today.
That's it. Hit the Gustavi. Everyone, get that damn vandal. Crashing in style. Smash you. I outclassed you.
I'll put you in your place.
Ain't no stopping Jimmy Hopkins.
Are you...
Can you help me, sir?
So how do I do it, Pete?
Do what?
Beat those rich kids into submission.
Well, what have you tried so far?
Random violence, widespread destruction, gratuitous sadism.
No, that's not gonna work. They get all that kind of stuff at home. No, what you gotta do is you gotta beat one of them publicly. You gotta prove to them you're better than their best man. Why don't you box that dumb jerk Biff?
Not bad, Pete. Not bad at all. All right. See you around.
Wait, Jimmy, can I come too? You know what? Don't worry about it.
You better not be getting
You and me, Biff.
You and me what?
You and me, the noble art of boxing. May the best man win. And then you little trust fund fairies will know what life is all about.
Anytime, pauper.
Of course. The best man always wins. Me. Come on. Afterwards, you can clean my shoes.
That's the best you can do.
baddest? Me! Who's the toughest? Me! Who's the man? Me! Me, losers! Me! The champion #1! I killed the best! I will beat the rest! Yeah!
What have we got here?
That poor kid just beat up Biff. He's our new champion.
What?
He's
That's
the
right.
new champion.
Yeah, come on! Come on, man! Woo!
You disgust me! It takes more than victory to become a champion. It takes breeding and nepotism and snobbery. You filthy Democrat! Gentlemen, are we going to let some gutter snipe come in and beat up our friend Biff?
No!
Then what are we going to do?
Beat him back to the ghetto!
Yeah!
Yeah!
You guys soften him up. I'll get a drink. Step back. My hands up.
You pathetic wretch, hiding behind your friends.
I'm leveraging the assets I have, and you don't. Friends.
Just shut up, Darby.
Here's some more tactics for you, poor boy. Locking the door. Not bad for ill-bred morons like you. You're gonna regret this. I have had enough. I'm an excellent boxer, you know. You should be. My
Who's the boss now? I can't hear you, rich kids! Who's the boss now, my waspy little friend? Answer the question!
You are...
Louder!
You are...
Good! That's right! Me! Now you girls, learn to play nice, you understand?
Now, Darby is really stupid, malevolent, and rich. So it will surprise none of you to discover in a future life, he'll end up in Congress. But this is my story, not his. With the trust fund babies under control, it's time to turn my attention to their sworn enemies, those greaseball kids.
So, you must be pretty proud of yourself. You taught those rich scum a lesson.
They're rich, weak bullies. It was easy. They picked a fight with me, and I showed them who was boss.
And Gary got them to pick that fight, so maybe you'll show him as well.
Gary's an even bigger problem. He'll have to wait. Hey! What's this throwback want?
A haircut? A nice strong man to cuddle up to? Who knows?
Jimmy Hopkins, right? My friend Johnny needs your help.
Then tell your friend Johnny to come and ask for it.
Nobody tells Johnny anything. Johnny Vincent does the telling.
Well, he doesn't tell me what to do. Now beat it, greaseball. You're causing an oil slick.
I said he needs your help, man.
Do I look like a charity service?
You're gonna pay for this.
What is wrong with this place? Everyone here either needs help, wants to beat you up, or both.
Well, you know who Johnny Vincent is, though, don't you?
No, and I don't care.
He's head of the Greaser Clique. Get friendly with him, and he can help you get to Gary.
Yeah, maybe. Tell you something, Pete. This place blows.
Tell me about it. Why was my dad a librarian and not a bank robber?
I wish I was a centaur. On my pants. Ah!
Check this out,
Who is the worst